Guys, and welcome back to the channel. So we're taking this Gorilla and Himalayan 450. Me and Sanju both are headed to trails here at Kasasai Dam. We kind of call it Otlock Trails because long back, 5-6 years back, Otlock had done a nice video on that trails. I leave that trail video link in the video description. That's a beautifully done video. By the way, the first gear is way too low or low powered. You feel as if the bike is going to die, or the engine is going to die and shut down. But as soon as you put in the second, it leaps ahead on its own. And in second, you can pull easily from a slow speed like 10-20. I've tried that multiple times on this Kasasai road where there are multiple speed breakers and all. So कहाँ से जाना है आगे? We both don't know the route as such, but let's see. Star somewhere here only. On this road, not here. Are the trails. Nice place. I'd come here long back with Dumpy and all. If you know Suraj from Pit Lane, Dumpy from Pit Lane, and this Gorilla looks beautiful. We were on Dominas that time. The road is completely broken and I'm able to stand and ride, but I'm on the second gear. I guess the trails start here, and I had to shift to first gear. Hunter. That Hunter, they had to go without pillion. निकल गई. अभी मैं ट्राई कर रहा हूँ. आई एम ट्राइंग, but it's only happening in first gear. Pretty slippery. फंस गई. So now I'm going to rescue Sanju. I'm not an off-road guy, by the way. दो बंजारे, दो पागल. एक बुड्ढा, एक जवान. Between the jungle and now this cow has come, or bull. Sanju is down there. This was pretty easy for me. क्लच छोड़ के. संजू आओ, या इसको जाने दे फिर आ. Nice deep jungle. We can hear peacocks at a distance. Our bikes are there. We just came walking upstairs to, not upstairs, but up to here to check the amount of slope, because I don't want to cause any harm to the gorilla. हाँ, ये सब patches are quite deep. और उसके नीचे साइलेंसर पे कुछ नहीं है. साइलेंसर पे कुछ नहीं है, एग्जॉस्ट भी नहीं है, ये भी नहीं है, क्रैश गार्ड भी नहीं है. So it's a review bike and I don't want to F it up. A little easy, but risky and steep, and some places are very thin. We'll probably come back with button tires with Apache and Expulse and Impulse and all. That's where our bike is. Sanju's Himalayan and the Gorilla is down.
Gorilla भी यहाँ लगा देते हैं, दोनों का फोटो वीडियो.
Foot. And whenever you're doing any off-road, make sure you leave the clutch at the earliest possible so that you don't spoil the clutch plates. We're going to take a photo here and then return. This first gear is somehow more convenient for off-roading. It gives more power on that, and I was struggling with the first gear on this particular bike, though this is light in weight than the Himalayan marginally, but yes, I was struggling with it. Beauties, two brothers. I told you about the first gear not giving much power in case of Gorilla. Second thing, the tire at the center is completely flat, in the sense there's no groove over here. There are grooves here, but there's nothing over here. But in the Seat that they've given in Gorilla, they have slots over here, grooves over here, so which gives a little additional grip. Which tire is here? It's Seat only, Grip XL Rad Steel. प्लास्टिक का इंजन पूरा ये निकल के आएगा. So this guy who came on the Hunter, he went till up somewhere. It is waterfalls or water stream is crossing the road or something, and it is filled with slush. So he came back. He was asking if we are going to go upstairs. We said no, obviously not. क्या चाबी है? That slope is way too far. But it is nice, quiet, serene. Loved it. I'm surely getting a impulse expulsion coming here. 100%. Crab? Yes. Oh, crab. And it will be advised to come in the morning hours, because by evening there will be a lot of mosquitoes and other flying objects in the sky in this area. I took off my jacket and there were nice bugs on it. Kit Kat. Sanju just gave me a Kit Kat and I remembered, have a break, have a Kit Kat. Or was it Perk? I don't remember. Nowadays you don't get the Perk. Perk was nice, heavy, good stuff. I've eaten a lot in Bombay when I was in Bombay. Mumbai guys, don't get offended. Last time also when we came on Dominos, the Splendors were doing this effortlessly. आज भी अंकल एक साइड पे फोन पे बात कर रहे हैं और आराम से जा रहे हैं मस्त. ये तो वो वाला मोमेंट. और हम इधर गेयर में डाल के हमारी फट रही है सबकी. बंद ही लगे. CD 100 SS. पहली वाली कौन सी थी? Splendor or something, Super Splendor or something. Now it's the toughest job where you have to get down, and I'm not able to turn off the ABS on this one. या इसको फीचर ही ना हो क्योंकि मैंने अंडर गोइंग आराम से. And another Splendor coming up, double seat वो भी. He is also casually going, not afraid of any ditches or anything. Probably it is their everyday job. Oh God, ये देखो फर्स्ट गियर पे मस्त अभी उतरेगा. हाँ. It's easier for light bikes to move around like this. Both the bikes are down and we are going to use the first gear and a lot of brakes and know the right way to go down on such roads. So I've turned off the bike in ignition and pulled back the clutch. It's in first gear and I'm using mild brakes and releasing clutch when it is way too tight. Never done any such off-roads. I mean, very regularly. Once in blue moon. This also have come, like I've told you earlier, after 5-6 years. So थोड़ी बहुत, ज़्यादा बहुत मस्त फट रही है. This is the worst part. It is full slope over here and wet and obviously slippery. And yeah, done. This all wet dry area is there, so I'm trying to take the path over there. Almost down. चलो भाई, बाय बाय. युप्स. नहीं नहीं निकलते. वो कार ऊपर आ रही क्या? अच्छा तू फोटो के लिए बोल रहा है? हाँ. अरे मैंने गल हेवन अराउंड हियर, कंप्लीट ग्रीनरी, फार्म्स, माउंटेन्स. Why go Rajmachi? Give way to ambulance. See, everyone is moved aside. It's so nice.
I didn't wanna see you when you came home.